IGAD Assembly. Excellency, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. His Excellency, Mzee President Museveni and dear host, Excellencies, heads of states and governments, Excellencies, ministers, and heads of delegation, Mr. Antonio Guterres, Secretary General of the United Nations, Mr. Musa Faki, Chairperson of OAU Commission, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I would extend a warm welcome to you all at this 42nd Extraordinary Summit of the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, IGAD. I wish you all a year filled with strength, good faith, happiness, growth, and prosperity for our nations and communities. Allow me also to express our profound gratitude to His Excellency Yoweri Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda, for graciously hosting this 42nd Extraordinary Meeting of IGAD despite this demanding schedule. We convene today under a sense of urgency as our region grapples with challenging times, be it the devastating conflict in our sister nation, Sudan, or the recent developments in relations with Somalia and Ethiopia. These challenges necessitate bold leadership, unwavering commitments, and a shared vision that transcends borders and ideologies. As you all know, today's summit was convened at the request of the Federal Republic of Somalia. This demand arose in response to the recent signing of the Memorandum of Understanding between the Democratic and Federal Republic of Ethiopia and Somaliland. As you are all aware, our forum has always provided us with the unique opportunity to collectively engage the deliberations on each and every disturbing development arising in our region and have an open and constructive dialogue on challenging issues that matter most of our nations and peoples. As we, heads of states and governments, bear the responsibility of steering our nations through those challenging times in a spirit of genuine cooperation and solidarity. It is therefore my hope that over the course of this summit, we will engage in robust and fruitful discussions, leaving no stone unturned in our pursuit of fruitful, constructive, and tangible outcomes. Thank you for your attention.
His Excellency Ismail Geli, President of the Republic of Djibouti and the chairperson of the IGAD, Their Excellencies, the heads of state,